Isla Bonita. And when the samba played.
La Isla Bonita, Part A, starts with Salsa Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close your right foot, bringing your left hand up. Shuffle to the right. 1, 2, 3. Flick your left foot on. 4. 3-point turn. 5, 6, 7. Slow cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cuban box ending facing right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Cha-cha forward. 5, 6, 7. Slow 3-point turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your left foot in next to your right foot, twisting your right hip forward while bringing your right hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check step with your left foot. 5, 6, 7.
Last night I dreamt of San Pedro, just like I'd never gone. I knew the song, the young girl with eyes like the desert. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical, the island breeze.
Part B, Vaudeville. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Susie Q traveling to the left wall. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 2-point turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach up. 5, 6. Open 7, 8. Cross checks ending with a ball side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 with the hand. Turning to face corner, bring your right hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle to the back with a little bit of freestyle body action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open right foot to the right. Bringing your hand into a sleeping action, lullaby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical, the island breeze, all the nature wild and free. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. And when the samba played, the sun would set so high, ring through my ears and sting my eyes, your Spanish lullaby. ¿Cómo fue que se va? Last night I dreamt of San Pedro.